Have you ever looked up at the night sky in the far north and seen curtains of green, purple, and red dancing above you? These magical lights are called the Aurora Borealis, or the Northern Lights. But what causes them to glow so beautifully? The answer lies in the Sun, Earth's magnetic field, and the gases in our atmosphere. The Sun is constantly sending out streams of charged particles, called the solar wind. When these particles reach Earth, they don't just crash straight down. Our planet has a protective shield called the magnetosphere. The magnetosphere directs most of these particles toward the poles, which is why the northern lights are usually seen near the Arctic Circle, and the southern lights, or Aurora australis, appear near Antarctica. As the charged particles collide with gases in Earth's atmosphere, they transfer energy to the gas molecules. Different gases produce different colors. Oxygen gives off green and red hues. Nitrogen produces blue and purple shades. These collisions excite the molecules, and as they release the energy, they emit light, the shimmering curtains we see dancing across the sky. The shape and motion of the aurora are also influenced by Earth's magnetic field lines, creating arcs, rays, and swirls that move and ripple like waves. Sometimes, the aurora appears as faint, subtle glows. Other times, it bursts into brilliant curtains that fill the sky, a breathtaking reminder of the invisible forces around our planet. Scientists continue to study the northern lights not only for their beauty, but also to better understand space weather, which can affect satellites, power grids, and communications here on Earth. So the next time you see pictures or videos of the northern lights, remember it's not just magic. It's science, energy, and our planet's protective shield, working together to create one of the most mesmerizing natural phenomena on Earth.